Good day. Welcome to our class again today. So, how's been your day? So, today we want to consider what we call accidentals. Accidentals. Accidentals are musical symbols that are placed before, that is, at the left hand side of a musical note to alter the pitch of that musical note. It changes. It's like you are moving, you are traveling, you are driving on a straight road, and all of a sudden you just encounter a bump. When you encounter the bump, you will just climb the bump by moving up, then descending back on that straight road and continue. You meet a bump again, you climb it, ascend it, descend, and continue. That is what accidental mean. You have been taking about do. You see that do is just moving. All of a sudden, you see a symbol like a sharp, what we talked about sharp. That do become the, just go the do no do. All of a sudden, it changed. You haven't C. All of a sudden, your C was sharpened to become C sharp. Maybe later again return. So those are accidentals. We have different types of accidentals. We have the sharp, we have the flats, we have the natural. Let's take them one by one. The flats. Remember when we were talking about, when I told you about the keyboard, we were talking about semitone as the shortest distance between two adjacent keys on the keyboard. So a flat decreases the pitch of a note by half or by a semitone. It decreases a flat decreases the pitch of a note by half step or by a semitone. So B becoming B flat. The flat is written as an abnormal B. It's an abnormal B. The flat is abnormal B. You see the shape of, so this is the shape, as you can see there. So that's the shape. You can write it yourself, after your, that's goes, that's just a flat. So that's what we call a flat. A flat decreases the pitch of a note by semitone. A flat decreases the pitch of a note by semitone. So we can have double flat also, double flat. A double flat will now decrease the pitch of a note by a whole tone. It will decrease the pitch of a note by a whole tone. We get that. Let's see, trying to see if we have any double flats, just in front of that particular note. Say you have this. Okay, so that is what it looks like. Okay, that is for flats. Now, if we talk about flats, we say it decreases the pitch of a note by what? A semitone. But if it is double flat, it decreases it by what? A whole tone. That is 2 semitones. That's that. Okay, let's talk about sharp. Sharp accidental. Flat decreases. Why sharp increases? Flat decreases, flatten, it decreases. But sharpened it. Sharp increases. So a sharp increases the pitch of a note by half pitch by half step by a semitone. It increases a note by a semitone in pitch. That is what, so a sharp is opposite of flat. While flat is decreasing, sharp is increasing. We can so look at how we denote flat. Just write two lines like this, then cross. That's give you sharp. That's sharp. Okay. We can also have double sharp. Double sharp. That double sharp is written as this cross. Let me just show you as this cross, unlike the flats. That's this. Anyway, don't just leave all the artistic. So that is how a double sharp looks like. So you can see it there on the left side of your screen now. So let's review them. This is a flat. This is a flat. You can see that's a flat. And you can see next to that flat, you can see is a sharp. Next to it, you can see is a sharp. That is clear. Now, they want to call natural. Natural. This is natural. The function of natural is that it restores a note to its original pitch. It restores a note to its original pitch. Say, for example, you sharpened your C. Let's say this is C. It was sharpened. It was sharpened. And still on the same bar. Another note is on C. If that note is not in another bar, if that note is not in another bar, it will remain sharpened C. But if we want it to, despite being in that same bar, we don't want it to be sharpened C. We want it to be the natural C, the original C. What we just do there, we put natural sign there. So a natural cancels. It cancels the effects of flat or sharp on a note. It means it restores a note to its original unaltered pitch. It turns it to its unaltered pitch. So, like I've told us, we have also double flats. So you can see there double flats. For double flat, you can see how the flats are written together. This is it. You can see how the flats are written together. But for double sharp, instead of we having something like this, having two sharps like this, you can see how we denote double sharp. So a double sharp will increase the pitch of a note by a whole step or by a whole tone. That is two semitones. Double sharp will increase the pitch of a note by a whole tone, by a tone, or by two semitones. I think that's, let me just show example. So you can see here, and see how these notes are flattened, flats before them. Okay, you can see how the flats was before them. You can see also here, see the sharpened notes, how they were sharpened. So this is natural, how it is there. So I think we'll be pausing here. There's no need of yes, this is double sharp, what it looks like. Double sharp, I put double sharp. This is a double flat, how you put it if need be. So that is that about accident tests. Thank you for listening.